Hey guys, I'm going to show you a demo of Typeblock, which is a no-code AI app builder. And in this application, we're going to build an app that has access to the internet. It's basically going to analyze the contents of a website and tell us what the business does, what its strengths are, and what its weaknesses are. And so this is the editor of Typeblock where you can build the applications. And so the main steps are you have to build a UI using these elements. And specifically, you need to use at least one input to get user input. You need a button and you need an AI response. Once you're done creating the UI, you're going to need to go into AI logic, and that's where like you can define the prompts and chain prompts together. So let's first build the UI, and we're going to keep it simple. So we need a web URL to access the contents of the web. So let's make this bigger real quick. And we're going to need to give this a variable name. So let's give this the variable name URL. Let's give it a label so we can say website URL and a placeholder, enter a website URL. That looks good. Then we're going to need a button to submit. So let's put this here. Let's move this up, and let's actually make this a green real quickly. It doesn't matter too much, but you can style your applications as well using the styling. So let's change the button color to green. So that looks good. And then we're going to need the AI response. So let's put this here. Okay, we're going to try this one more time. Put this here, and let's make this bigger. And let's also give this more rows. Let's say 10. And actually, that looks fine. You can also give it a label as well. So say AI response. And then let's preview it to see what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some AI logic now. So to do that, after you've added the variable name here, go to AI logic, select which model you want to use. So let's use this one, which has a longer context window. The temperature is a measure of how creative it is. So let's put 0.5, and let's say you are a helpful business analyst. And so for the prompt, we can say, based on this information, and then the information is from the URL. It's being scraped, essentially. Based on this information, write a summary of what this company does and evaluate its potential strengths and weaknesses. And you can actually chain another prompt to that, and I'm going to make another video to show you how to do that. But for now, let's keep it simple. Let's save this and exit out of this. And you're going to also want to save all of your work as well. So let's click this button, and then let's test it out. So let's get a website URL and put it in here and see what happens. So to do that, I'm actually going to use a company called Supabase, which I use for some of the backend, not all of it. So let's try this out and see what happens. And Supabase is basically just like a backend as the service. So let's see. So it's going to go to the website, and then, okay, this is exactly right. So it's summarizing what it does here, and this is exactly right. This is what it does. One of its main strengths is integration with Postgres. Yeah. Another strength is its strong community support. I think that's true, actually. One potential weakness is it's still relatively new. That is a very good weakness, actually. Man, this thing is good. Um, Dang. Yeah, so this is exactly right. So this kind of gives you a sense of what you can do. And you can also copy this, you can download it, upload it, and collect user responses. And so once you're done sort of creating your application, and by the way, you can style it more to your liking. You can share it, and you can also set up monetization settings. And to do that, you have to go to the dashboard and you know go through all the settings. You can set a domain up for it and everything. But so let's just do this real quick. And boom, yeah, this is so I could send this to someone and they could use it on my team. Or if you're on the premium account, you can collect validated user emails by setting up user authentication. So a user needs to sign up before they can use it. And you can also set up payments if you want. So you can give them some free credits. After they run out, they need to pay their Stripe to access it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. And I'm going to make more videos like this. So yeah, thanks so much. Bye.